What's up guys, it's your boy Shadain here, back with another video on the channel, and still be unboxing the DJI Osmo Nano. Now this is pretty much one of the best portable small miniature camera that is basically an action camera that can mount everywhere. Now let's unbox it and see what comes in the box when you actually open this product. Got it here, and then we have the opening. That there. Alright. Now we have a bunch of paperwork here. So there's nothing left in the box. Everything's pretty much empty. And then now we have what seems to be a sticker from DJI. And then we have another app. You must have app for downloading, as you guys can see. And then we have the camera here, which looks pretty small. I ain't gonna lie, it is very tiny, just to show you in comparison to how small this product is. Now let's go back and put this down, and you guys can see they just bundled everything in this little box. They didn't even, so this is the cable, the C to C cable, and your clip that just magnetizes on to the camera itself, which is nice. So this is the other magnetic clip that suction cups onto any environment. So the hand clip has what it seems to be a magnet here. So that's pretty cool. And you can now this is the vision dock, which looks pretty nice. Now the magnets are on the top here, the clip on the camera to the vision dock. And then we have the screen here, and I guess this is another magnetic part that attaches on. There we are. This is the camera itself. DJI logo on the front here, power button on the top. So power button, or not power button, but the shutter button, I should say. Back has just the name pretty much. And then we have on the bottom, you can rip that off, the mounting mechanism. So as you guys can see, let's see. Okay, so you have to hold. So how it works is you hold both sides, flip it in, pull it off. You can do it on the bottom too. So I guess you don't get charged at the bottom. Strip that off. But so you can see it can attach on the bottom here without any of those magnet clips. But then you can just go ahead, hold this in the sides, and just clip that on. So, and now you'll see the display of the power. So let's turn this thing on. English. Now it says scan this to set it up. Then I'll do that and get back to you guys. Now the installation just finished on my phone, and it says done. Now I'm just gonna. The camera is now in it was updating. Now it just finished updating. I don't know if you guys can see. And then all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just give it full access to my camera roll. And now it went into live feed mode. As you guys can see, you can now see the camera, you can see my computer, and yeah, this is live feed mode, which is pretty dope. So you can use live feed mode on your phone. One more thing. So let's see if I can find the SD card tray. So as you guys can see, most of these action cameras have the SD card slot here. So as you guys can see, you have the SD card slot up here, and then you have the USB-C cable. You can just lock that back in. Now there's not any other thing you can physically remove. As you guys can see, we have power button here, or power and record button, as well as the dock itself. Now on the screen, I don't know if you guys can see this, you have two levels right here, which the top one shows you the percentage, I guess, of the Osmo camera itself, and then you have also the bottom one that shows the dock's percentage, which is nice. Now you can swipe up and you can go into different frame rates, which is wide. You can go D-warp, which I'll be loving to use D-warp because this D-warp would be more natural looking. You use wide, and then you have ultra wide, and these are just different aspect ratios as you guys can change, and it has a little nice sound to it too. But I won't be showing too much of this. I'll show this in my full video so you guys can see everything that I'll be doing. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys like this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.